Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn most important Java topic for interview. If you are planning to attend any Java interview, you must need to understand Java string deep concept. So let's go through each point one by one with clear explanation and visual. Most of the interviewer ask, hello is a string literal and B is a concat of A plus world. C is a concat of hello plus world. So when you are comparing with double equal, it will give false. So in this video, we will understand why it is false, and with this explanation, we will get clear picture of Java string memory and difference between string pool and heap, why equal and double equal is like classical trap. If you are preparing for Java interview, this is essential knowledge. Let's first understand why strings are immutable. What is it means? Once string object is created, its content can never be changed. Any modification create new string object, and it is immutable due to security, thread safety, performance, and efficiency. What do you mean by security? B used is to store file path, URL, API credential, and due to its immutability, anyone cannot modify it during runtime or compile time. Thread safety. B not need any external locking or safety in the concurrent programming. Due to its immutability feature, it not impacted in multi-threaded environment. Performance. String content is stable due to its immutability, and due to that, hashing hash code is stable. Hash is called once, and for same key, hash code is still called, but it return a cache value, making lookup faster. Efficiency. So JVM store string literal safely in the string constant pool and reuse it. Not create new string object again and again for same content, and it save memory. This is a simple view of Java memory. Java memory having two partitions, stack and heap. Stack stores the reference and heap store all objects created with new keyword. String pool is a special memory inside the heap and managed by the JVM to store and reuse the unique string literal. We need to understand two rule of equality, double equals and dot equals. Double equals check reference comparison and dot equals compare content. Double equal give true when two objects point to same reference in the memory, and dot equals give true when both content are same. And string builder and string buffer do not override dot equals, so for them dot equals and double equals behave like same because they are comparing only reference, not content. Let's create string using two way, one using literal and one using new keyword. So when we create using literal, so JVM look for hello into the string pool, and if not found, it create there, and its reference in the stack it point to the string pool hello. And when we using create using the new keyword, then it will create inside the heap. So str reference in the stack it will point to the heap object, not to the string pool object. So here is a two important interview question. So when we compare this a and str with the double equal, it compare the reference, so it will give false because reference of a in the pool and reference of str in the heap are different. And when we compare using dot equals, it comparing the content and it is same, so it will give true. In the case of runtime concatenation, string b is a concatenation of a plus world. It behave like same dot concat method because A is a variable and the final value hello world can only be determined at runtime, and the JVM does not use string pool for the result of runtime operation. So it creates new string object on the heap. So behind the scene, what JVM is doing, JVM often use string builder for performing concat operation. So string builder of a dot append world dot to string. In this process, it create new string object inside the heap like hello world. It will not store into the string pool. Magic happen at compile time. Like string C is a concatenation of hello and world. Java compiler is smart. It see two string literal being added together. So before code even run, at compile time, compiler concat them into a single literal hello world, and code effectively became string C equal to hello world. So as a result, JVM can now treat hello world as a single literal and it check into the string pool. Since it is not there from previous step, a new string object hello world is created and placed into the string pool. So this hello world is created during compile time inside the string pool, and this hello world B is created during runtime inside the heap. Golden rule of string memory we need to remember. Only compile time concat operation like literal or addition of literal go into string pool. Runtime operation like concatenation with a variable always create a new object on the heap unless be not explicitly used in turn. String in turn is a method in Java which ensures all string with same content share same memory location by leveraging special memory called string constant pool. So when we use in turn at runtime, it also store that string into the string constant pool. This is the important question. Here string A hello, B A plus world, C hello plus world. So in case of B, B using the variable A. So due to that, JVM perform runtime operation. It not get its value at compile time. So its value of B is stored into the heap, but in case of C, which is compile time constant, it is stored into the string constant pool. So both store at a different location. So its reference will be different. So this is the final question. Why it print false and true? So in case of B double equal to C, where B is stored into the heap and C is stored into the string pool. So both when we using double equal, it comparing the reference. So it will give false because both having the different reference. But when we using dot equals, it will give true because it compare its content, its character. So it will give true. Since they are different object at different address, so it will result false. What about string builder and string buffer? These two are mutable object and designed for efficient string operation manipulation, and these are stored into the heap. Like here example, string builder sv1 hello dot append world, string buffer sbf new string buffer hello dot append world. So in case of memory, both string buffer and string builder are the object and they store into the heap. And for the mutability, it used the dot append method for any modification. So any modification is happen on the same object which is stored in the heap. So it will not create new object for each modification. Pool. So string builder and string buffer object are never stored into the string pool. Thread safety. String builder are not thread safe, it is faster, and string buffer are thread safe and it is slower than string builder due to synchronized method. Let's test our knowledge. Question 1. String A hello and string B new keyword hello. When we comparing using double equals, it will give false because their reference are in the different location. Pool and heap. Question 2. String A hello which is literal and SB1 is a string builder, and when we compare using dot equals, comparing different type of object string versus string builder, so dot equals will return false. Question 3. String buffer 1 HW and string buffer 2 HW, and when we using dot to string and using double equals, each dot to string call create brand new string object in the heap. Question 4. String buffer 1 and string buffer 2, and when we using dot equals, it will give false for the same content because string buffer uses the default dot equals which is reference check. So string buffer 1 and string buffer 2 point to different object inside heap, so their reference will be different. Let's summarize our understanding about compile time and runtime. When using compile time, so in that case we get the value of the addition operation at the compile time. So JVM treat it as a single literal and it is stored into the string pool. So and when at runtime when we using variable, it is called runtime. So in that case JVM get the value of b at runtime and it is stored into the heap. And the comparing golden rule are double equal and dot equals. When using double equal, it will check memory address, and when using dot equals, it check its content like character value. This is a interview cheat for Java string. Rule 1. Know where it live. String literal and compile constant go to string pool. Rule 2. Know how it is made. New keyword and runtime operation like plus variable. Create new object in the heap. Rule 3. Know how it compare. Double equal is for memory address. Use it to check if it is the same object. Dot equals is for content. Use it to check if string having same value. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.